Hello student, we have almost completed half chapter. Now we are very important topics of this chapters. Now the first important topic of this chapter is argument against democracy. This is very important questions and there may be other questions are also means what are the drawbacks of democracy, why some people criticize democracy and argument against democracy. So here in this lecture we are going to study about the argument against the democracy. The first, instability. Leaders keep changes in a democracy. This lead to instability. Means after 5 years there is election and after the election the leader may be changed. After one or two elections leader may be changed. So it affected their policies and program and many times it lead to instability. Next, no scope for morality. We, democracy is all about political competition and power play. So there is no scope for morality. Means in a democracy, everyone wanted to get power, and for acquiring power, they use unfair methods. That is why most of the people said that democracy in a democracy there is no morality. That is why most of the respected persons are not entering in the politics. Why? Because there is a drawback of democracy is no scope for morality. Next, delay decisions. So many people have to be consulted in a democracy that it leads to delays. Means in a democracy whenever we have to be take decisions, it has to be consult for many people. Many people give their opinion and when the many people give their opinions it take time. So if we have to be implemented one decision within 1 month, it is not possible for the democracy to implement it. It take approximate 1 to 2 year for implementation of one decisions. So there is also one drawback, another drawback of democracy, that it delay decisions. It take too much time. Next is bad decisions. Sometimes elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people. It lead to bad decisions. Many times this happens. Means leaders do not know what the best interest of people and they take the decisions and sometimes these decisions means affected the life of people. So this is also the one drawback. Another, corruption. Democracy based on the electoral competition so many times it leads to corruption. So you all know that mostly the most of the political leaders are corrupted. So this is one of the most, I think, that drawback of democracy, that in a democracy corruption is there. And the last is ordinary people don't know what is good for them. They should not decide anything. You all know that ordinary people have no knowledge about the foreign policies, means relations with the other countries and some of the important economic decisions. They know only their interest. That is why they cast their vote for their relatives and those who they know. So sometimes this lead to the bad decisions. Okay, so means ordinary people do not know what is good for the country, for what is good for the development of the nations. So this is also the drawback of democracy. So these are the some arguments, my dear. In the next lectures, we are going to study about the feature of democracy. Why the democracy is better form of other government. I know that there are some drawback of democracy, but in spite of these drawbacks, democracy is better than any other form of government. And this we are going to study in the next videos, my dear, next lecture. For today, thank you. Have a nice day.